Jedi's like the bat from the Atari 2600 adventure game. It was the thing that flew around the maze, picking up objects and then leaving them in other places as it picked up other objects. Sum-sum. 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 They were just released in the US yesterday. Disney's got a whole new set of Star Wars Sum-sums. T-S-U-M. T-S-U-M. Sum-sum. See? They are stackable plush. I can't believe they sent me the entire first series. He's no good to me, cute. The only Sum-sum that's going to stay in this room is going to be the Darth Vader. You've got an inverted nipple.
Oh no! How did you even do that?
I hate when that happens.
Let's get your little bowl. Let's get the hair out of your face. There we go. Oh, I don't believe you. I do not believe you. No. You're full of beans. Which ones do you want to wear today?
Don't worry about you guys?
Yeah.
Is that what you're saying?
Yeah. Wait, baby, let me make sure it's clean. Here, I'll get you set up.
I see. Dusty.
You want to know what makes a true Happy Meal? Darth Vader, or anything Star Wars related. This is quite collectible. It's in decent condition. There are a few scuffs and scrapes and bends, but I didn't have it before now. It's amazing what collectibles you can find on the internet. Diana usually does this, and I'm not sure if I'm doing it correctly. Wait a minute. Does it go like this?
I don't know. I get my glasses on so I can see.
Okay. What the? See what I'm saying? Like that? Oop. Boy, it's loose. Is it broken?
Yeah, hang on a minute. Oh, there you go. No. Stop it a minute. Can you stop it from going?
Yeah, you have to unplug it.
Oh, let's do that first. Must be somewhere where that snaps down in there.
Yeah, there's a little groove on the other side. That's where it was going. No, other side. Keep going, keep going. Yeah, like that. See? There's the
Does
other
that
part.
go on?
Yeah, it must.
Okay.
Okay.
How many Italian men does it take to make popcorn?
You wanted it.
I know.
Okay, plug it back in.
Okay. Do we have to put the top on, or do we just catch it as it goes?
Oh, that's another good point to make. Oops.
Well, then they got a top deal on this.
Yeah, but you put the top deal on this after it's done. When I tell you to unplug it, unplug it.
All right, I'm ready.
Unplug it.
Oh, cool.
Wait. Okay.
Smells good.
Well, hopefully it didn't burn.
Hope it brings the Hawkeyes luck today. Ooh, that looks good.
Perfect.
That looks good.
There you go.
What's that, like a special seasoning?
Yeah, salt.
It don't look like salt. What's these for? Oh, a hot pad?
I don't know. Is that a lot of salt?
It is for the top. There you go. Oh, yeah.
Daddy's going to hold on to the cheese for you. That way you don't get it everywhere. Only on your mouth or around your mouth and possibly up your nose. But hopefully not up your nose if I feed you properly. Do you want to grab it? Are you sure? No, it's going to get very messy. Cheese mustaches are the best. We finally got a new bathroom scale, and it measures everything. Well, most everything. In the middle of the day, I weigh 134 pounds with 11% fat, 60.8% water weight, 43.8 muscle mass, and 6.4 pounds of bone density. That was my weight completely naked right now, but as a basis of comparison, I stepped on the scale wearing just about the same kind of clothes that I wore to the doctor's office the other day when I weighed 137 pounds, and on this scale, I weighed a little less than 137 pounds, 136.6. So I would say it's probably an accurate scale. I looked up the stats, and I'm healthy. I could be more normal than I thought. That's not weird at all. I've got muscle. Not to mention enough bone. She seems to like the tags on the sum-sums more than the sum-sums themselves, so we are going to keep the tags on for now. And action.
I like Solo where he is.
What, sitting right in front of you? Because I'm out of carbonite right now.
I can put you back in carbonite, you know.
No, you can't. All the sum-sums you can eat, but don't eat them. All the sum-sums you can play with. Those are Daddy's pants with Darth Vader. It's a sum-sum tsunami.
Are you directing? Mama.
Like I said, she is far more fascinated with the tags.
Daddy's making faces.
No, this is my face. This isn't weird, is it? Is this what daddies and daughters do? I don't know. She's the one who started to do it. Apple, sausage, pancake, and bacon. For me. The best part about these pancakes is that you don't need syrup with them.
That's the Pirillo wink.
Got half of it. Half of it.
Thanks again for taking the time to watch, like, share, subscribe, leave positive comments, participate with us on this and every other social platform every single day, and of course, supporting us in whatever ways that you see fit. We'll see you tomorrow.